if you only do one facial exercise today, do this one. Smiling up, showing your upper teeth, as many teeth as possible, okay? Then curve your lower lip. Keep showing your upper teeth. Just like that. Hold this, okay? Hold for 20 seconds. Yeah, you feel the burn? Feel the burn right here. Okay? Second time. Ready? Smiling up. You feel that? Feel that? Feel the burn. So nice. So nice. Okay? This exercise, because you don't use your hands, so it's perfectly while you're doing house chores, you watching TV, you know, even for driving, you can. Maybe not good because you may scare the other drivers. Last time, smiling up. Keep showing your upper teeth. You feel the sensation here, the lactic acid burning here in your lower face. Do this exercise every day. You will see the improvement in your muscle, tone your lower face and tighten your skin. Share this video to whoever needs it, okay? And follow for more.